Hi everyone! I'm finally back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how my Spanish friends cook paella. Last August, I did the Camino Portuguese, and after 5 days of walking, I took a 2-day break. I met with Jonathan, a Spanish friend I met in Bali last year, and together with his friend Antonio, they showed me around the charming Spanish town of Tui and the nearby Portuguese border towns. But the highlight of my weekend was that I got to experience how they cook an authentic paella on an open fire. In this video, I'm going to take you through that experience step by step. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check out Jonathan's channel where he teaches Spanish to Indonesians. Who knows, you might even pick up a bit of Indonesian yourself. His channel link is in the description. And so with that, let's get started. So first we went to the supermarket to buy the ingredients for the paella. And also I want to show you how their supermarket looks like. I was so amazed because it is so big and there were so many options for everything like cheese, wine, olive oil, vegetables, meat, like different types of, ham, chorizo, chicken, everything you need. So this is where they cook the paella. I just watched them do it. Paella is a rice dish originally from Valencia, Spain. It is one of the best known dishes in Spanish cuisine, but the way it is cooked varies depending on the region. According to tradition in Valencia, paella is cooked over an open fire. And then for the ingredients, we have the tomato, rice, chicken, beans, artichoke, paprika, salt, olive oil, and the powder that gives color to the rice. According to Antonio, the traditional paella usually uses chicken, duck, or rabbit.
Carne del pollo, del conejo y del pato.
For the tomatoes, he used 6 medium-sized tomatoes, and as you can see, he is grating it and then he just removes the skin of the tomato. And then for the rice, they use what they call arroz bomba. It is short-grained rice. This is not sponsored, but I just wanted to share the brand of paprika and olive oil that was used. Okay, so now let's start cooking. So first, you add oil onto the pan. The pan used in paella is flat. So next, you add the chicken and cook until it's brown. And then season with salt. And then next, we're ready to add the veggies. So we put the artichoke and the beans. So observe how he mixes the ingredients. He stirs it but not too much. So that's how they do it with the paella. And then now, he's adding some olive oil. Now it's time to add the paprika and the tomatoes. Again, you observe how he mixes the ingredients.
En la alacena, en la alacena alta, entras en la cocina, bueno, lo ves. Hay más que
Now it's time to add the rice. So this is how you add it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Croquetas. So when we had in Bali.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Tutto alla gallega.
Un po' freddo.
Un po' freddo.
And what is that?
Saffron.
Ah,
So this was not added a while ago when I showed you the ingredients, but yeah, you also need to add saffron for paella. And now it's time to add the water. And then season it with salt.
Hacer un poco de más de sal.
A ver, ¿cuánto le vas a echar?
And now it's time to add the powder that gives color to the paella. I've read that the saffron is what gives the paella the color, but Jonathan didn't want the paella to be pale colored,
it's not yellow. That's
so he
orange.
put a lot of powder.
Para ya, pero tú sabes que el color, eso es una cucharadita de nada.
¿Qué dices? ¿Qué sale bien, no le va a dar sabor ni nada. Que porque aquí un nivel que esté muy amarillo. Ok. Y pues sí. Si nos pasamos de pasamos. Está muy amarillo. Lo malo es está poco amarillo.
So just wait for the rice to absorb the stock.
Ruy.
¿Las tienes?
And it's done. So after cooking, you have to let it sit for a few minutes before eating. So as you can see here, they're covering it with foil. So this was my plate. The paella was really tasty. So after finishing my first plate, I had a second plate. I really ate a lot that night. So that is how you prepare paella. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something from this video, and if you got hungry just watching, then leave something in the comment. Again, please subscribe to my channel. This is Tina, and see you in the next video. Ciao!